Hey folks, this is Tim Spice with Texas Parks and Wildlife. We're here at McKinney Falls State Park, and we've got some fresh crappie here from Granger Lake, a few miles up the road. We're going to show you how to take your catch from the day and fry it up nice and easy and have a great meal for you and your family. To prepare the fish, first I've taken it out of its container and we've dried it off a little bit. We're going to lightly prep it with some a little bit of salt and a little bit of fresh pepper. All right, just a little bit of pepper though, because crappie's a really nice, delicate fish, and you don't want to overpower it. I was raised with just a simple cornmeal batter. You can do a little thicker if you like with an egg wash, or even a little bit of milk or buttermilk. But this is pretty simple. You'll get a great fish flavor just this way. All right, we've got the temperature right where we like it, about between 250 and 275. Now we're just going to take our battered fish and put them right in the oil. Watch your fingers so you don't splatter that hot grease. We want to cook the crappie for about 2 minutes on each side. Nice light brown and keep it nice, moist, and tender on the inside. That's the best way to eat it. All right, these look good. These are done. We're going to put them all on the plate here for everybody. If you want to know how your fish are done, here's a simple test. Take a fork, and if you can break apart the flakes, that means your fish is done. Here's a raw fish, and you can see I can't pull the flakes apart. When the flakes break apart, your fish is done. Now we're going to cook this lighter method where we've got the fillets. We won't bread them. We're going to take a little fresh tarragon. We're going to rub it into the fish, and then we're going to take a little lemon, and we're just going to squeeze it onto the fish here. Now we're ready to put it on the pan. First off, we're going to have a little bit of olive oil to help keep it from sticking in. It adds some great flavor. And then we're going to take those fillets that we put the tarragon on and put them straight on the pan. Great little sizzle. That means that pan's hot. It will, again, just like the other fish, it'll only take a couple of minutes on each side. I picked a shallow pan so that I can get my spatula in there a little easier. Now those fillets are very delicate, so you have to be careful when you turn them or they'll fall apart on you. That tarragon and that lemon, I can smell it right now. Really great flavor coming through on that fish. Doesn't take but less than a minute if your pan's hot. Fishing is a great family activity, and preparing a great meal for your whole family in one of our great state parks is something that we'd love for you to do. We've got two kinds of fish here, prepped a little coleslaw and some hush puppies, and you know what? I think it's about time to sit down and dig in. You guys ready to eat?
Yeah.